Okay, now today we are going to be making macaroni and cheese, and this is Deadass famous secret recipe. So I am going to be filming every step of the way. Now, step one, water. We turn it on and let it boil. Okay, and put some salt in it as well. The cheese is being sliced.
I use a mix of medium cheddar and Colby.
Is it wrong? Charlie is getting upset. What's wrong with the car you have now? Watch 2.5 minutes tonight at 7 and 7:30 on CW50. By 10 o'clock, Mary Party will blow.
What does this thing want to tell me now?
For a small one, 2 cups of noodles. For a big one, use a whole box.
And so right now we're making a large.
I'm making a small one.
Okay. We're making a small macaroni and cheese, and the noodles are now boiling. And I am just going to stir this a little just to make sure everybody is in there properly. Okay. And then now we're going to wait for that to come to a boil. Stay tuned. Okay. So now we are about to drain the noodles. Now that they are done.
That's hot.
Okay. Noodles are drained. And then they pour it back into the pot. Now we're going to add the other ingredients. Okay, which includes... Okay, we got a half a stick of butter. Okay, we're going to add that into the noodles. And we're going to stir them in. And kind of let that simmer. I've been instructed to use the little spoon. Okay. And I'm just going to let those noodles cover that butter and let it melt. And in the meantime, we put 2 eggs.
Stir it up good.
Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and stir in those eggs. While the butter melts. Oh no! This is why I needed my camera stand.
Just go so far.
Okay. Yeah, that butter is already melted. Okay, so our next ingredient is 1 cup of milk. We're using the measuring glass, and we're using this 1% milk or 2% milk. Putting that on in there. And then I'm going to go ahead and stir.
Mix this in there.
Okay, so we're adding in some of this cheddar cheese stuff here. I don't know why this camera's not in focus. Okay, so now we have milk, cheese, and egg in here with the noodles. And we're stirring them up. That was 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk. And the cheese was sprinkled in to taste. And we don't always add this kind of cheese because we got that whole plate of cheddar cheese over there. And we've already added salt to the water with the noodles. Okay. Now the next step, we have this prepared bowl here. And we're just going to go ahead and transfer the ingredients. And then spread them around. So then this is the best part. Okay, so then we take that cheese and, like so, layer Okay, so now we're ready for the next layer. We can just pour in the rest of it. It's all the noodles. So you got 1 layer of cheese and another layer. And normally I feel like we always use the square, more rectangular.
Yeah, I ain't have no small square one.
Yeah. Okay. So now they've been flattened out, all of the noodles. And so what I'm going to do is add the cheese. Oh, okay, apparently.
Cheese from the bottom.
Apparently I have to use the cheese from the bottom. This is the Dead Eye Cooking Show. Okay, so now we're adding in more cheese. This is Dead Eye's secret macaroni and cheese recipe. It will not be shared on the internet, so this is just going to be a film for filming's sake.
Okay, that's it.
Alright, so now what we do is we put it into the oven. Woo-hoo!
Cook for 20 minutes.
Alright, well thank you, sir. Thank you for showing us how to do the recipe. Well, you know what, it's okay because everything is blurry unless it's close up anyway. So the only shots that was crystal clear was the... And for the final results, there we are. A wonderful macaroni and cheese.
Did you take a picture of the cornbread too?